Silver is currently trading in a clear bearish market structure where price continues to respect downside momentum. And what makes this situation very important is that the market has just formed a fresh key flipped level that will now control the next directional move. Welcome back, traders. Today we are back on silver, and if you missed our previous analysis, you should check the video on this channel. Now let's break down what is happening in the market. If we step back and look at the overall structure, silver is still firmly in a downtrend. The market continues to print lower highs and lower lows, which clearly shows that sellers are maintaining control, and every minor rally is still being rejected at higher levels. Now, the most important development in this structure is the formation of a key level around $63. This level was previously acting as strong support in the market, holding price multiple times and preventing further downside. However, as selling pressure increased and momentum shifted, that same support has now been broken and flipped into resistance. This type of shift is very important because it tells us that the market structure has changed at that exact zone, and that is why the $63 level is now our main key level to watch on silver. Now here is exactly what I'm watching moving forward. If price comes back into this key flipped resistance zone around $63, respects it, and prints a clear bearish candlestick reaction, then that will confirm that sellers are still defending this area strongly. In that case, we are going to look for a sell continuation move targeting around $60, which aligns with the next downside liquidity area. On the other hand, if price breaks above this level with strong bullish momentum and closes above it, then the structure will shift again. That resistance will turn back into support, and in that situation we will wait for a clean retest of the broken level before looking for a buy setup targeting a move back up towards $67. Market psychology insight. When a key support level flips into resistance during a downtrend, it often becomes a decision zone where either sellers continue the trend or buyers attempt a reversal. And the reaction there usually defines the next swing. So to summarize everything clearly, silver is currently in a strong bearish structure and reacting around a key flipped resistance level at $63. If it holds, we expect a continuation lower towards $60. If it breaks and retests as support, we shift bias and look for a move back towards $67. Now traders, the question is this: will silver respect this newly formed resistance for another drop, or are we seeing the first signs of a structural reversal building from this level? Alright traders, that is everything on silver for today. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and always wait for confirmation before taking any decision. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. The